So over here you can see that I have a subtitle project, and if I were to press the play button right here from one list to another right here, just like this, you can even go around over here, and then let's say for example, so you can see that this is what you have right here. And now what I can actually do is, you can see that these are different text right here. I can merge them out together as well. So for that, from the beginning, like beside the U, you can go ahead and press backspace and space right here. And you can see that now this becomes a big chunk of subtitle text right here. Arrange out that task by clicking and dragging the task from, you can see it becomes a big text right here, just like this. So now you can go ahead and press enter to go ahead and break it out in each comma right here, and in each, let's say for example, full stop right here as well, just like this. So you can go ahead and merge them out together and break them apart as well as needed. For example, it says, so you can go ahead right here and then arrange it out right here. You can go ahead and press enter, and then you can go ahead and press backspace right here to go ahead and change around how everything actually comes together. So you can go ahead and merge this out together as well, and then let's say for example, arrange these in place right here, and then work around with it here, just like this. This is another task list, let's say for example. So now what you can actually do is you can read, and that is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and then merge out the subtitle lines inside of HappyScribe. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe